Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the propane used for firefighters in their command centers. As you all know, we've had several fires up and down California. We are now supplying propane for the Bobcat Fire at the Santa Fe Dam here in Irwindale, California. And first of all, I would like to say thank you to all the firefighters and those in supporting roles. We appreciate what you're doing out there, the hard work, and making sure that we're safe in our homes. Thank you again. Appreciate it. So yesterday morning we received a call from a vendor that needed propane by 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I met them on site at the Bobcat Command Center at about 9:30 in the morning. As soon as we decided what they needed, at 1 o'clock we had our truck over there, our tanks ready to fill, and the firefighters coming in were able to get a hot lunch and be able to take a shower and have hot water to wash their hands and clean up. Yesterday when I was at the command center, I did notice a group of Hotshot firefighters. They came from Mormon Lake, Arizona to give us a hand over here in California. What a Hotshot firefighter does is they're dropped off in the middle of a fire where the equipment can't make it. They go down in with chainsaws, rakes, shovels, whatever it takes to get a line between them and the fire. This basically can stop a fire in its tracks. Very important. Sometimes it can be a mile wide. Depending on what the wind is doing. So thank you to all the Hotshot firefighters giving us a hand here from Arizona. Propane being the elite fuel it is the preferred fuel for all fire camps. I did notice one guy trying to fire up his generator, but he found that he was out of gas, actually out of diesel. So you can't really store diesel like you can propane. So make sure that when you're making the choice for your energy, you're using propane, the elite fuel, and propane can do that. In case you were wondering how we were doing these podcasts, here's my production crew, Emily. We have our snacks, they're animal crackers. Having a great time, and we'll see you next month. We're going to talk about how the vineyards use propane. Talk to you then. Bye-bye.